So what is up, YouTube? We are back at it again. I know it's been a minute. We got something for you. It's my cousin in the background. I'm Polo Quade.
That appeal on me.
He got that appeal. New cop. You said it's the appeal what? Semi-automatic?
Yep.
Chambered in 22. We're gonna give it a little test, see how it run. I think it holds 10 round mag plus one. So yeah, we're gonna see. Let's see what she working with though. Oh, it's a little pea shooter. You gotta cock it back again? It should just rack, yeah. Hold on. What's going on? We got a little malfunction. Remember that lever. Push it down. Or up. One of the two. I can't remember. We got a jam. All right, we'll be back. All right, we're back. We got it. Had a jam for some reason. Another jam. That's a nice reset. There's no way you gotta keep pumping like that. Ain't no way. I think that was the last one.
Yeah.
Check the mag. Oh yeah, you're empty. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Let me give it a go.
Good.
Let me see what's happening with it. And you know, we got the Utah Mini and 9 and 43X. And I wanted to try out my 45, but with the Glock 21 mag. I need to get an X grip and put on it right there where that little gap is at. But I mean, it looks decent for now. Glock 30S and 45 ACP with the Glock 21 round mag. And I want to say that it holds 13 plus 1 maybe? I can't remember. All right, so it's gonna be my go. I just wanted y'all to see what the magazine looked like in it. But nah, it's pretty decent though. A little 22. And you got it for how much?
What was it? Four some change?
Yeah. You can get this bad boy for about 4. But we finna see what it's working with. See if it runs for me. Another jam. You gotta keep cocking it back like that for real?
Yeah, you gotta keep cocking it.
Jam?
Jam again?
Yep. I think we're back. Yep. No? Clear. I'm not gonna lie. Once you get the hang of it though, nah, I like it. I was hitting that thing too, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said, get in there. Yeah. Get in there. Yeah. Nah, that don't. Yeah. All right, so my boy finna shoot this 45. You better hold on to it now. There you go. Nice. Shoot low. A little bit higher. I don't know if that was a hit. Nope. Come on, we gonna get you right. I don't know if that was a hit. That was a shell. Yeah, that's them 230 grains too, boy.
Good God.
Woo! Yeah, so that was 230.
Big
and
boy
45 practice rounds. I'm gonna see what I can do.
Hey,
I might can hit.
hopefully you get better luck than me here.
So we back at it with the 4.5.
Sir.
You know, we got them 230 grain full metal jackets. Let's see what she do. Let's see what she do.
Got a jam, no problem though.
Oh yeah, she blowing.
Yes, sir.
She blowing.
Most definitely is.
That done with eating. All right, we got the Utahs. His first time shooting it as well.
See how this goes.
Fitting to see what he about to be hitting on. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I hit that one.
That's that 30 stick. Good.
Yes, sir.
You like that?
So I like that one.
Yes, sir, Ski.
That's definitely a good one to go get.
Yeah, buddy.
Say Utah.
So my boy just shot the 30 stick in the UE, UT9. Let's see. You ain't even shot the 43X either. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to let him shoot that too. We'll be back.
Now we got what here?
The 43X
43.
and 9. All you gotta do is rack it.
I'm ready.
Go ahead. There you go. There you go. Let's see. Hit. 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 Okay. All right.
As we
Who
go,
you think
aim
you
gets
is?
better.
Who you think you is?
John.
John Wick. You stupid. You stupid. Ain't no way.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. All right. Let me see how many I can hit.
We're back.
43X. So my boy got 4 or 5 shots. I'm gonna see if I can top that.
So let's see. Let's get behind and see what
That was hit. I think that was the whole clip.
might have been.
Let me go check. The Yui.
Back onto the U-Lons.
Let me see. Oh, yeah,
2 and 1.
Hit
2 and
with the
1.
Yui.
So on the last one on that UMOS, we got what, 11 hits it was?
Yeah,
out of what clip?
on
Out of
the
what kind of clip
Utah.
was it?
Huh?
What kind of clip was it?
27 round.
Okay.
11 rounds. But we're gonna flip the box around.
Now it's
Quay,
my turn.
shoot, see how many he get. All right, so we're gonna, it's beaming out here too. Oh my God. But we're gonna, we flip the box around, so we're gonna see where Quay hitting. And yeah, just stay tuned for more. Yeah, they ready for it. Go ahead. Miss. Hit. 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 You got something. Focus back on your sights. There you go. You knocked it off. Busting that thing though, boy. You could have went and reset it, but yeah. Let's see what you hit. Could have reset it, but let's see what you got. What we hitting on?
About 5.
5 of them. Hey, that's still enough to kill somebody. Or something. But yeah, good job.
Good deal.
All right, well, back to the 22. Wait a minute. It's a 22.
Let's see what it's talking about.
Clear mag. She ran.
Clear
Hey,
mag.
let's get it.
Let's see what those 22s hit. So we got what? How many so far?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that was it on the 22. Yeah, the rest of them 9.
5 out of 10 clip. Hey, can't get no better.
You can't beat it. Can't. All right, we're gonna see. We're gonna see what my boy got. Polo Quay. Let's see. Oh, you done injected one. There you go. I'm getting the rhythm. It's like a little pump, kinda, but not. It's a weird little fella, for sure. She jam on you?
Yep.
Pop the clip out.
Oh no, that's it.
Oh, it's out. Okay. Well, let's see where you hit. Yeah, you gotta pay attention to that indicator when that boat locked back. Let's see. Let's see.
Okay.
What was you hitting on?
We got what? 1. I think we only got 3.
Sure to make my hits? Ain't no way.
I know I got that one. Sure.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way, Jose. I think they're mine. You trying to steal my hits?
They might have been.
You trying to steal my hits? I'm weak.
I have to go back and look at the footage. Look.
He said, look. I am weak. I am stupid weak.
Might have got 1 out of that, y'all.
Yeah, well, like he said, we'll go look back at the footage. All right, well, we finna get out of here. We just wanted to try this Appeal out back here, semi-automatic, calibrated in 22. But it was a good little time shooting. It's always a good time to shoot, especially on a good, nice, pretty day like this. But anyway, we're gonna wrap it up. Y'all make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Please. I don't beg, but thank y'all for tuning in and watching, and God bless. Peace.